Last time!
Alright, now we wait.
This time!
Now we wait. Okay. That's all there is to it. I think I'm going to take this opportunity to clean up the workspace around here a little bit. See if I can make the place a little more organized and pretty. And then while I'm at it, maybe I'll lift this thing up and put on jack stands too. Good enough for now. While it's still busy draining, why don't we go ahead and try lifting this truck up and setting up some jack stands, shall we?
Orbiting the Earth. Orbiting the Earth.
Remember, repetition is of the greatest importance.
Orbiting the Earth.
Remember, repetition is of the greatest importance.
Orbiting the Earth. Orbiting the Earth. Orbiting the Earth. Orbiting the Earth. Orbiting the Earth.
wiring harness needs to come off, looks like. Just sold it today. That's going to come undone. I don't even know what the hell that originally was. There's that. We have ourselves another transmission line here, it looks like. Which one goes to transmission? This one here goes to transmission, which is this one. Good. It's going to be like that, huh? Oh boy. Probably going to need to grab myself an actual open-ended or closed-end tube wrench. What is this? About a half. Okay. Okay. Oh boy, they didn't like that, did it? You're bloody well right. Yep. Oh. Wowee, that was a zinger right there. I'm working down here at the moment. At least I'm trying to work down here at the moment. Not doing a very good job, am I? But the hose got to come off anyway. It's not too messy in there. Oh, look, it was. Gosh, diddly darn. You just gotta catch as much as you can, I suppose. I really need to move so that I can get to these wires right here. Because these wires gotta come out. And actually, while we're at it, let's go ahead and cut this ground real quick. So let's go ahead and get this wire out of here. Oh, come on now. Out you go. I really wish those clips would come undone a little bit easier. They just simply fight until the very end. Come on, out you go. Out you go, come on. Does this thing have 2 grounds on it? Oh, look at us go. Good name of the Addy Bauer was so fancy. So there's one more set of grounds I need to undo. And it's not that size. For some reason, it's the American size. Why, you ask? Probably because the engineering departments didn't talk to each other. Now then, here we go. I think that all that's really left is just these bolts that are on the bottom. Now these things are tough. There's a bolt that's underneath it here, and a bolt that's underneath it here. As far as I'm led to understand, they have to be unbolted down, as the upper tends to not like to come out. And it's a really tough one to get out of there too, on top of that. So let's see if we can find out what size it is. And it is a 15 millimeter. So let's go ahead and try to apply some muscle here. Not that I have a lot of it. Let's see, that's gonna be. Oops, that's going the wrong way. Let's go the right way. Oh yeah. Oh, it came loose. Awesome. Go ahead and loosen this side too. And maybe we can just run the impact on it all the way up. Let's try it. Go ahead and see if I can get this up enough. Within that time. It's still attached. It could possibly be still attached. Oh. Okay. Oh boy. Got it. That's the front clip. Let's go ahead and see. Now, I think there might be a little bit more I need to remove. But it's just things like this air conditioning assembly needs to go. There's a compressor over there. I think there's some emissions and brake control stuff that aren't very important anymore, like this piece right here needs to go. There's probably some shenanigans up in here that are no longer important, but I think that just about handles the front half of this, and it's getting pretty late. I need to clean up the shop, so thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a comment down below if you feel like there's any changes or differences that I should do.